Thank you so much for giving us your eyes and attention here on NTV at 1. I am Priscilla Regina Daloga. Starting off with the latest of Dr. Kizza Besigye, the former leader of the Forum for Democratic Change, who was arrested in Nairobi, Kenya. This was over the weekend. He is expected to be produced in the General Court Martial at Makindye. It's not clear what charges the former presidential candidate will be charged with. Now, several members of the Katonga faction of FDC have camped near the court martial. We do have Sudil Biaruhanga that is on ground to give us the latest in Makindye. Who is there? Has he been able to see Dr. Kizza Besigye? Well, good afternoon to you, Sudil.
My Lord, you hope to use English. I obey Lieutenant to English. Look at the panel. These are the neighbors who are going to hear your case. You have to be very careful. If you have any objection to any of the neighbors, you will say so. But you will take all the rest of fire. I'm starting with you and the rest of them. Do you have any objection to any of the neighbors? My objection is to all of them. Haji Butale, do you have any objection to any of the members? Yes. In the case which you are charging before this honorable court, you are supposed to be having a lawyer. We have 2 lawyers of government who are paid by the government, but you have the right to hire your own lawyers to come and represent you. I'm starting with you, Kizza Besigye. Do you opt to use lawyers of government, of court, or you want to bring your own lawyers?
Prefer my own. Prefer my own.
Haji. The lawyers, court.
I was only informed that I was coming to court a few minutes ago. I have not been in contact with any person since we were arrested from Nairobi. So I could not have a brief the lawyers.
But we have government lawyers who are paid by the government, instructing Simon Suga and Lieutenant Kabunde.
I have already said I will be having my own lawyers, but I haven't briefed them yet.
The same with me. The same with me.
Jaka, you can also, yes, your lawyers are not around, but I believe you know them. You can mention their names.
I think we will be started to the group you start in
They wish people to be my lawyers, but they have to accept to be my lawyers. Having had a brief.
some space here.
I don't know whether you want to present my wishes to this court.
Please, press. I believe you have taken enough photographs. Can you give us a space? And then those who have no cameras, please, you can extend also.
The state will have to pass to consider the rejection of the court. Before we go to the other state, what reasons are there to answer? Yeah. They have to give their reasons, and the state will reply to their reasons. Then go to the meeting about the
is not careful because why you have objected to a court.
They object to a court of the military because I am not a member of the UPDF. And I believe that I should be tried by a civil court if I am suspected of having committed an offense.
But I've already mentioned it earlier that I object because I'm a civilian. I've never been, I'm a civilian since I was born. I've never joined the Air Force other than being a scout. So I think I'm a civil court.
Section 117 of the UPDF Act, which enables us to have people who are not subject to military law, but otherwise get subject to military law because of circumstances or inviting themselves to be tried by the military law. Chairman and all the board members, one of the reasons also advanced was that he has not got time to inform his lawyers, and therefore his lawyers are not around. But I believe for the members who are sitting here at the bar, if they are not his lawyers, and if they are not members of the bar, they should not be sitting here. I do believe that you are members of the bar.
Mr. Chairman, and members of the General Court Martial, I want to be on record that we have not had access to the accused persons. We needed to have, first of all, instructions, and also to have an interaction with the accused persons to get to understand the nature of the offences and the entire story about this matter. So professionally, it becomes a bit difficult for us to proceed with the representation of the accused persons without having those preliminary engagements. And as you know, Mr. Chairman, lawyers act on instructions, and the instructions come with sufficient information on how they can be represented. So all we know, Dr. Besigye and a colleague traveled to Nairobi, and we don't know, we're not aware how he ended up here. So it becomes extremely difficult for us to proceed under those circumstances. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
A law has been quoted as to why we should be subject to this court. I don't have the laws with me. I cannot respond. My lawyers haven't been briefed. I think it would be unfair to make a ruling before we have had the benefit of legal representation in that matter.
I think whatever decision will be taken now, that will be ruling. We are not represented that I don't think that one has a problem, because the ruling will be, as Judge Advocate has said, to continue or not to continue is considering your objections. So I don't think that one will affect. Maybe Mayor J.A. was asking, in what capacity did you submit it? As a volunteer, as a friend, or as their lawyer?
Mr. Chairman, we've been searching for the whereabouts of Dr. Besigye since she got missing, and we learned that he's being brought here. And as you are aware, there are so many parties that are concerned with this matter. And as one of the lawyers who are concerned in this matter, I had to step in to ensure that justice is done. But as whether I have instructions from him or not, that is the matter which is subject to a pronouncement, a decision of this honorable court. And I've put a disclaimer on that. have not interacted with him, much as I've been a lawyer in search for his whereabouts.
The court is adjourned for 15 minutes.